Alright, this video is showing how to add a new laserdisc image file to your Dexter. So every Dexter comes with a USB drive, and the purpose of this USB drive is so it can be inserted into a desktop computer so that you can update Dexter. So I've inserted the drive into my Windows machine, and you can see that it has a folder called Dexter and a folder called disk. So all the Dexter disk images go inside the folder called disk. So let's say you wanted to download a new laserdisc image for Dexter, for example, one from the Merlin product, which some people might have to do. So here I just went to the Merlin website and I'm going to click here to find the Merlin disk images. So let's say I just want this one. So I right click, do save link as, and then I want to find the Dexter USB drive that I inserted, which in my case happens to be my E drive, but it will probably be different for you, so this is something I can't help you with. You'll just have to look around at the drives that are inserted and find the one that has the Dexter folder and the disk image. So I'll double click, go into the disk image, and then I'll do save. And now it's inside the disk folder. I now have this Merlin file. And then I need to run Dexter Manager to update the policy file. If you don't have Dexter Manager, go to the Dexter website. Just scroll down, download one of these two, either Windows or Mac. Now when you launch Dexter Manager to update your USB drive, there's a few things that you're going to want to check. The first thing you're going to want to check is that something is selected up here. It usually will be, but there's a few cases where it won't be. You also want to make sure that this box is grayed out, so if it is able to be clicked, make sure you click it. So those are the two things. Select an image, click Save Changes, and then you're done. In a future version of Dexter Manager, I hope to fix these little quirks, but for now, it's something you have to deal with. And then also make sure you eject your USB drive gracefully. There it is, eject. Yep, so that's what you have to do to prepare the USB drive for Dexter. Now the first time you restart Dexter after putting in your newly updated USB drive, you're going to see a screen like this where it says that Dexter needs to update. So this is normal, and it can take, depending on how many images you have on there, it can be pretty fast. Like the Merlin image that I installed on there is really small, so that one's going to go really fast. But it could also take 5 or 10 minutes if you have a lot of images. So just be prepared to wait for it to finish gracefully. It may do some reboots in between as it updates firmware and stuff, but eventually it should, see here it's doing a firmware update. But eventually it should stop and you'll have your updated image. So I hope that's helpful.